Hello everyone, it's Kevin here, and we're going to go over testing our Visual Studio installation. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our Visual Studio 2022. So we can do this by searching it down here, Visual Studio 2022. Open that up. Give it its time to open. Once it does open up, we're going to click on Create New Project. Now I do have them pre-selected here as I've been using them before. What we can do here is we can just look up ASP.NET and then API, and you're going to click on the one that says project template for creating an ASP.NET core application. So we're going to click on that, click next, click on here test API, or not click, we're going to enter test API here, and we can select our location. So I'm just going to put this in my desktop directory. Solution name, leave that as test API. We're going to click next here. We're going to use .NET 6.0 preview. Then we're going to allow, we're going to leave these here boxes checked, use controllers, and enable Open API support. And then we're going to make sure that this is selected here, configure for HTTPS, no authentication type. We're going to click create and give it its time to create this. So once this here is loaded, this is not what I'm going to do here is not necessary. It's just going to be a slight overview. So click on our controllers. We're going to have a controller here, and this controller does some stuff. We're going to get into more detail with this here stuff later in the course, but all that matters is that this here runs. By running this, it tells me that you have a .NET Core 6.0 installation that does work, and it tells me that you have Visual Studio set up. So we're going to click Test API here. It's going to use the Swagger framework. So we're going to let this start up. It's going to open up a new Microsoft Edge page. Click on the Get here. Click Try It Out. Click Execute. And looks like we got some data back. So that's just about it here. You can play around with it. Look at the code a little bit more if you'd like. I do suggest that you do play around with it. Try to get comfortable with this. It's pretty similar to Visual Studio 2019, but this is the newest version of Visual Studio. It's going to be 2022, and I'm sure that most companies are going to be switching over to this in the future. So that's why I'm using this here editor. So just take a look at the assignment instructions and follow the instructions for taking the screenshots, and that should be it. So thanks for watching, and yeah, follow the assignment instructions. Thank you.